Hello, I'm Judi the Organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So this video today is directed to you guys. Please stop buying gifts people don't want. So the reason why I decided to do this video is because it's been a few years now where I've realized that each time I'm invited to someone's home, for the most part, majority of the items they have in their homes were given to them. And because they call me in, meaning they have a lot of clutter, what I've realized is we gift givers are giving gifts to people they don't want. And because of the guilt, because guilt is strong, and unfortunately we tend to hold on to other people's pain or despair, we feel guilty to get rid of things that we don't even care for. We'd rather allow something to sit in our homes for a long time than to actually let it go. To let it even to let it be of service to someone else. We'd rather keep it in our homes because we feel bad that the person who gave it to us will be mad at us, will be sad if we let it go. When at the end of the day, if someone gives you a gift, they detach themselves from this item. This item no longer belongs to them, it belongs to you. So you have all right to get rid of that item. And my favorite one, right? My favorite gift is the inherited gift. The gift that has passed on through family, through generations, and now 30 years later, you're stuck with this cupboard that you don't care for this cupboard. This cupboard doesn't represent who you are today, but you're stuck with it because your great-great-grandmother had it. And because it's an heirloom now, and trust me, I get heirlooms and I see the benefits and the advantages of having them, but you just don't want it, but you feel bad. So you keep it in your home and now it's accumulating stuff. It is covered in dust. It's broken, it's discolored, but because it was inherited and it's extremely old, you can't get rid of it. I'm not even gonna blame you for not getting rid of it. I'm blaming you givers. Me too, right? I'm one of those givers. We gotta stop buying things people don't want. And let's be honest, let's be honest. The reason why we buy people gifts, it's for our own ego. It's like, I bought that. Oh, I bought that. I got that for her. It's a way to show yourself that you are caring because we put value in things. So if we're able to give someone something valuable, it says a lot about us more so than it does about them. And rather than even caring if that person wants it, we'd rather just buy it blindly because it's a surprise gift. Who doesn't like a surprise gift? So today it stops. So whether you're buying a gift for someone's birthday, for someone's anniversary, for a baby shower, or just because you want to give them a gift because you are in a good mood and they've been happy lately, so they deserve a gift. Whatever your reason is, we will no longer buy surprise gifts. Rather, here's a solution. Ask them. There are 4 beautiful words you can ask someone that will help minimize clutter. And that is, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? There's many ways you can ask it, and it doesn't have to be a blunt way, you know? You can just ask them. I mean, the most common thing they'll say is, I don't care. And guess what? If someone tells you, I don't care, that already should show you that the item that you're probably going to purchase for them will never get used. And you know what? If you're someone who cannot fathom asking someone what they want as a gift, maybe you should give them a gift of experience. Those are probably the best type of gifts because experience, first of all, don't require a physical item unless you're giving someone movie tickets. But it doesn't require a physical item. And even if they don't experience that experience, it's better to lose money than to lose money and still be stuck with a physical gift you don't even use, at least in my book. So let me know in the comment section below if you're one of those surprise givers. Trust me, I used to be one of those, so I get it. Let me know so we can have a discussion. Let's converse. Let's talk about this. Let's transform. Let's change. So please comment below, guys. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye. I've probably worn this shirt like 6 times in my videos. Hey, it's a gift that keeps on giving.